One of the best things about Schoology is the ability to save anything that you've created to resources so that you can reuse it at a later time. So for an example, if went into a course that I created, I can I can save any of the individual items in the course to resources by hovering over and clicking on the arrow next to the settings tab and click save to resources. This will save. Well, first it was going to prompt me to say which section of resources. You can create folders within your resources to organize them. Right now I have not done that. So I'm just going to put them in the home section, which is the main section of your resources. And I'll say save a copy. What I would really recommend doing is that after you've completed a course, like at the end of a school year, that you always save the course to your resources. So you can save the entire course, which will save everything within your course by opening up your class, clicking on the arrow next to options and say save course to resources. I'm going to put this in my home folder and say submit. Now, if it's a large course, and this one it's saying it might take a little bit of while for this to actually show up in resources. Sometimes it can take up to an hour or two. You will get a notification in your email when it's complete. But when it's complete, if you click up on your resources tab, and your personal resources, these are all the items that you've saved. So mine actually went a little bit quicker. So here's the entire YouTube course that I just saved. And when I click on it, all of the sections from within it are there. So where that's nice is when you're in a course and you're adding materials, you can say import from resources, and you can choose a particular assignment that you've already created. You would just click on this and say import, or you can click multiple assignments. And so you can reuse everything that you've created and always have it accessible to you.